Hello everyone, John Clark from Woodford speaking. Welcome to Plumbing Tips. Today I'm going to review Woodford's Oversized Flange or RK-OSF. It's primarily used to cover a large hole from a previous installation and can be attached to any new or existing Woodford Model 14, 16, 17, 19, or 101 wall faucet. Plumbers love the Woodford Oversized Flange because it covers up large holes, plus it secures the faucet to a solid surface. The RK-OSF is easy to install. First, remove the faucet. Next, slip the top and bottom oversized flange halves behind the existing faucet flange. Use screws to attach the oversized flange to the existing faucet flange. Use the outermost oversized flange holes to secure the faucet to the wall. Installation is simple and you end up with no hole, a clean look, and a secured faucet. The RK-OSF Oversized Flange is sold separately from the faucets and is available at plumbing wholesalers everywhere. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful. I'm John Clark with Plumbing Tips.